look unique, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review on these LED photography lights that I purchased from Amazon. If you're looking for LED lights or even ring lights, this will be the perfect option for you if you're tired of chasing sunlight and you want to be able to film at any time of the day. I do recommend LED lights because they emit way more light. And may I add, it is amazing. So I'm going to show you what all comes in this kit, as well as the difference between LED light and without. So if that seems to interest you, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's just get right into it. To kick off the video, I wanted to add, I got these Neewer LED photography lights in a pair of two. You have the option to only purchase one, but I did do some research and I do recommend having one on the left side of you and on the right side of you to create more of an illuminated effect. You can add a ring light to add even more light to your videos, so that is something to keep in mind. You don't have to purchase the two set. You can order one and use a ring light in place of two LED lights as well, if that's what you're thinking about doing. But let's just get right into it. When you do purchase it, it comes in a bag. Well, it comes in a box, but this is inside of the box. A nice little travel size bag. You can put your lights in here if you're on the go or on the run, which I really like, and it's really good quality. It zips up on the side and it has little handles that you can hold to. Now, when you open it up, you're going to have, instructions on how to use the LED light, all the things that comes with it and things like that. And then you're gonna see this beautiful bad boy. So this is the LED light. Yes, it is very small and compact, and that's another thing that made me purchase this. There's two options of lights that you can do. You can do like the umbrella light, but I heard that one's really big and it holds up a lot of space, or the softbox lights. That one's big as well, and I don't have much space in my place to film with really big lights, and it emits a lot of heat. So I decided to go with these LED lights. Now, it's about this, probably the size of like two of my hands. So just to give you an idea of how big the light is, then you're gonna open it up. It has these flaps. These are to control the shadows, and you can just move it and fix it as much as you want, how far you want the light to go out, or you close it in. So that's very nice. This is the LED light in the middle. And then the back you have the option to either use it with a cord, with an adapter, or you can get batteries and it could be portable. Batteries are sold separately. They do not come with this packaging. And it has, I'll come closer, you can dim it and you can show what type of light you want. Either you want white light, more yellow light, so you can play with that as well and find the right light for you. This is the on and off button, and right here is where you put the power adapter. At first when I got it, I was like, where do I put it? But it's right here if you guys purchase this light. This is just a little holder thing to put on the tripod stand. This is a tripod stand that it comes with. It comes with two, obviously. If you purchase a two, if you purchase one, it's only gonna come with one. But this is really good quality, very flexible as well, which I like. You can move it, bend it, depending on the type of foundation you want. For your LED light, these are the little handles that you can to adjust the length. They have many different lengths. It can go high, as you can see, or you can make it as low as you want. If you wanted to put it together, you're gonna take the tripod and the LED light. You just put the LED light on top of it and you screw this in to make it a lot more stable. And there you have it. This is the adapter that it comes with. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is the end. It goes into the little slot that I showed you in the beginning, and it does come with two in this kit. Now, I did a lot of research on soft boxes, and they do recommend it just because it helps minimize shadows. So I'm gonna show you a demonstration. Right here, you can see my shadow, right? With the light box, it's supposed to eliminate that and illuminate the room, and that's what you want, especially as YouTubers. You don't want to be having too much dark shadows in your video because it just doesn't look pleasant, and I only use one softbox because having two is not going to really help me. I want one to combat the shadow, and I need the other one to be as bright to illuminate the room. This is what the softbox look like. So I did purchase this in a complete set. You can order it separately if you may want to wait a little bit, try to figure out if you want to invest in something like this. But I just felt like it was a good deal to just spend everything in one buy because I know I was going to need it any which way. But it is really good quality. It is collapsible. As you can see, it has like little things on the side to help collapse it. And it inflates, which is really nice. And it just attaches to the back similar to this. And something like this, you can keep it on. I just leave it like this, keep it in the corner because I don't have time to keep putting it on and off and on and off. It's very big, but you can collapse it if you may want to, if you're traveling, and just detach everything to make it a lot easier for you. I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration what the LED light looks like without the softbox. So you're just gonna open it up like so. And then you're gonna turn that bad boy on. You're gonna fix it to what you're looking for. So you see, you can just see how bright it is. I'm going to turn it around in my face. But overall, you can see how I'm glowing. Like, this is like directly in my face. The video looks very crisp and clean, and that's one thing you want to keep in mind as a YouTuber. Lighting is very important. You want to make sure you can film at any time of the day, morning, night, and LED lights can definitely help you. You can see it emits a lot of light. It can get very hot. Having two of them and a ring light, you're gonna be hot, so turn on some AC. Now, this is what it looks like with both of the lights hooked up. You can see I'm trying to kill a lot of the shadow over here in this area. I put it to the left of me, and this is what it looks like when it is light up. But overall, I really like both of the lights. I love that they are amazing quality, and they do make it a lot easier when I'm filming my videos because I just get tired of relying on natural sunlight. I wanted to show you guys what natural lighting looks like. Turn them both off, and this is what it would look like if I was filming on the regular. Just imagine I'm directly in front of the window, so it is emitting a little bit of light, but if it was rainy and the sun was down, this would be a whole different setup and scenario. But guys, that concludes the video. I hope I persuaded you enough. I showed you the unboxing, what comes in the overall kit. I showed you a before and after, lighting, no lighting, and you can definitely see the difference. If you needed a sign to purchase some lights as your equipment for YouTube or as photography, this is your sign. I will put the link down below in my description. I highly recommend them. They are amazing. They are a little expensive, but it is an investment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at jo.taytay, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.